Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to turn off sound of Instagram Stories videos. If your video that you would like to post on Instagram Stories has unwanted sound, then Instagram lets you easily remove the audio from it. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Choose the story option from the pop-up menu. Once the camera screen opens, record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Find the audio speaker icon at the top of the screen and tap it. As you can notice, you have muted your video sound. Now you can apply effects, insert stickers, draw or write something on your story video. When your video is ready, hit the Send To button in the bottom right corner and share it to your stories. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to turn off sound of Instagram Stories videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.